What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Torin, and today we're going to be going over a huge update video because a project I covered on the 14th of October, so about a month ago, has absolutely completely blown up. They've made a deal with Binance. Their NFTs sold out in 12 hours, and I actually almost 15x'd my money in this investment. So today we're going to be going over the Ape Scissors project that has completely taken off. We're going to be going over why it has done this, the chart, some of their website updates, and much more. So if you're interested in that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell because these are time sensitive. As you guys could see, I gave you plenty of time before it did pop off. And a step further, I do have a private Discord chat where we talk about all of these projects even before I make YouTube videos. There's about 1,000 of us, so if that community interests you, there's a link down below. But without further ado, let's dive into my computer, start learning more about Ape Scissors updates and why they've absolutely taken off. So as always, I love to land on the BSC scan, and we're currently sitting at over 7,500 addresses, which is huge. And we're going to copy this address right here and drop it into PooCoins. So PooCoins is pegging it at $140 million market cap. And as we can see here, I'll even go back to my YouTube page. On October 14th, I came out with the video talking about how to purchase the token and even get in on the NFT drop from Ape Scissors here. So the 14th of October was way back here, and this is where the video came out. So even beforehand, we had talked about this project, and since then, as you can see, over the last month, we have went to an all-time high of 1.8 cents. So incredible. That would have been from about 10 cents to 1.8, which have been over 18 times. So we have pulled back since that all-time high, and we have sort of pulled down on this Bollinger Band and pulled off of it. So I do use a couple indicators when trying to find entry and exit points, those being the Bollinger Bands, and the MACD here. So a typical entry for me would be when it comes off the bottom band, these crossover gives me signals that both are changing and we can see a trend upwards. Now, if it comes off the top and these cross back over, we could see that the trend is reversing and we're going back down. So right now I'm going to be looking into here to seeing if this trend is about to reverse. All right, so let's get into some of these updates. Why has this project absolutely taken off? Well, you can find everything you need to know about the project on APE SISSORS.com. I also have an older video going over the whole website and their white paper, but they do have some important updates. As I mentioned in the intro video, they have partnered with Binance Labs. So they do have a Medium page here, and this is a ton of information on what they've been working on. And of course, this is what has affected the chart so much. I even follow them on Twitter because this is where they announce all of this. But about a week ago, they are humbled and proud to announce a strategic investment from Binance Labs in the Ape Scissors project to cement their foundational strategy within the growing metaverse. So Ape Scissors and Binance Lab had agreed on terms for equity of corporate entity and a portion of the total token supply for a significant cash injection as part of acceptance into the Binance incubation program. So if you don't know what the program is, they have brought in other projects such as Axie Infinity, Polygon, and Perpetual Protocol into there. With these cash injections has truly skyrocketed the project as well. And they're thrilled to announce that one of the 9 blockchain startups selected from 396 teams hoping to be accepted into the program. So of course, this means their project is a solid one. So during their 8-week journey, they'll ensure they will leverage the full resources at the disposal to maximize the growth experience for all team members and collaborate with Binance and their network of resources and pioneers to vet, refine, and polish their models for market readiness. So this was huge news. Of course, going into Binance Labs is going to definitely pump the price. And as we could see that on the chart, it was very evident that people are very truly excited for this to happen. So my latest video talked about their actual NFT launch, and their NFT launch being on the Binance Smart Chain. So they were actually selling out in less than 12 hours. So the Ape Scissors Gamesters NFT, the next generation on the BSC, sold out in 12 hours. As we can see here, their launch of the Gamesters NFT on the 12th of November turned out to be a huge success, with all 10,000 selling out in less than 12 hours. So an incredible NFT launch, and something that obviously will increase the price and continue to put this on headlines. Now, I do go over the full white paper in the other video, and I suggest you guys do some research, some due diligence if this interests you, but it is a play to earn game here, and they are building it completely out from the ground up. So there will be an actual game inside here with battle modes, tournament modes, DPY battle modes, and NFT rewards. So here are some of the basic tokenomics that went down during their pre-sale and the liquidities they put into pancakeswap. Some of the development roadmap, as we can see here in the last quarter, their DAO launch, the BAS API and SDK release, partner integration, the cross-chain testnet launch, NFT v3, the decision protocol, and expanding the game ecosystem. I also brought up another important Medium article here, which shows that they are integrating Chainlink VRF to bring verifiable randomness to yield farming and loot boxes, which is awesome to see that they have gone through these process to make it very fair. So they do have a farming and staking side on their website here. You can connect your wallet and start farming or staking your tokens, your BAS tokens, for rewards. Now they also have loot boxes, loot drops. It did pop up when I was on the website here, but I didn't participate in that as of right now. So in the next quarter, we're looking towards the payment provider and fiat off-ramp automation, cross-chain game ecosystem, the RPG ecosystem expansion, AR and VR expansion, and inter-game collaborations. So a lot to come in the next few months here. The website has some big partners here. It talks about the introduction, the purpose of it, some of the games, and even shows the UI, UX that you will be seeing. The NFT loot boxes, as I told you about, but they have released all of their gamesters here, and the loot boxes, as we can see here, there were many different types of legendary, rare, or mysterious tiers that you could have gotten inside your box, and how it is broken down into each different article. I did mention in my latest video, they have used IBM solutions, which is incredible to see on the blockchain here, something that you can definitely get behind. They are on both CMC and CoinGecko, so if you want to put them on your watch lists, by all means. In the last 24 hours, we are down just under 10%, so it could be a great point of entry. Here's the chart on the 1 month. As we can see, it had that all-time high and sort of pulling back into this channel. They do have all their documents, their Ape paper, Medium, their facts, and their audit. If you do want to go through it, please do so. I'm not a financial advisor, so this is never financial advice. I did just find something early, and obviously it did very well. So please go out and do your own research, find your indicators, figure out what fits your investment strategy. But if you do want to purchase it, simple as clicking buy now. It takes you to pancakeswap, and you will be able to import the token and purchase it on the BSC network. I've gone through how to do this many times, and you can also check my latest video if you want to do so. Last but not least, I do suggest that you guys follow them on Twitter here. It does give you an insight. As we can see here, an hour ago, you would have been ahead of the gang, as well as the other tweets that what they are working on inside the lab. So very exciting to see this and their whole portfolio inside Binance Labs. So obviously this project was a case of finding a gem early, seeing their roadmap, seeing who they're partnering with and where they're going, what they're trying to accomplish, and getting in early. I hope you guys like this overview because it has been doing great over the last month. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, guys, take care.